Is the universe a cosmic clock, ticking with perfect precision? Or is it ruled by randomness? This question has haunted scientists and philosophers for centuries. And thanks to quantum mechanics, the answer might be even stranger than we imagined. Let's start with the idea of a chaotic universe. In classical physics, chaos refers to systems so sensitive to initial conditions that their future behavior becomes practically unpredictable. Think of weather patterns or planetary orbits. These are deterministic but so complex they seem random. But quantum mechanics doesn't just random it. It introduces a radical departure from the clockwork universe. At the quantum level, particles like electrons and photons behave in bizarre ways. They don't have fixed positions or paths until we observe them. This is wave-particle duality, where particles act like waves of probability until measured. And that leads us to the Heisenberg Uncertainty Principle. It tells us that we can't know both a particle's position and momentum with perfect accuracy. The more precisely we measure one, the less we know about the other. This isn't just a measurement problem, it's a fundamental limit of nature. So is the universe truly random? Enter quantum entanglement. When two particles become entangled, they affect each other instantly, no matter how far apart they are. Einstein called this spooky action at a distance. It defies classical logic, but it's been proven in labs again and again. What does this mean for determinism? If the universe is based on probabilities, not certainties, then maybe not everything is preordained. Quantum mechanics introduces genuine randomness into the fabric of reality. This has massive implications. Do we really have free will? Or are our choices determined by quantum processes in the brain? Some researchers believe consciousness might even be tied to quantum phenomena, though that's still hotly debated. Today, quantum mechanics underpins technologies like MRI machines, lasers, and quantum computers, but its deeper implications about reality, order, and free will are still being explored. So is the universe truly chaotic? Maybe not in the way we once thought, but quantum physics shows us that beneath the surface of what we see, reality dances to the rhythm of probability. In the end, understanding the universe might not be about finding absolute answers, but learning how to ask better questions.